Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. In my channel, I love to do a lot of DIY, decor, home recipes, everything within budget. And if you love such content, do hit the red subscribe button given below the video and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. Today's video is about life and budget, and it is one box challenge. One box challenge is a seasonal challenge that is hosted by Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home. I'll put a link to her channel and the playlist she has created in my description box below. One box challenge is something I really appreciate. It's about purging things that you don't want in your home, to give it away, to donate it, or send it away, somehow get rid of it. It's so important to lighten up the house a bit, and I do a lot of these things seasonally. Every end of season there are so many things that come out of the house, and I like to keep them organized and segregate them according to what they are, and then send them away depending on whether they can be used, so they can be donated. If they can be recycled, I send them to recycling center. Recycling is something very close to my heart, and I do a lot of recycling stuff, especially starting with, say, paper. So you see this stack of paper that I've put on this clipboard. These are actually the monthly calendar that I made last month. Some of you must have definitely seen these. These monthly calendars I made and I used them, and then now the back sides I can still use them. I use each and every paper that comes to my home, all the papers. I even encourage my children to use a paper, the back side of the printed paper, the plain side of the printed paper, which is no more of any use. The plain side can be used for doing their craft work or drawing or even rough work at home. So each and every paper that comes to home gets used. Then all the pamphlets, advertisement papers that come, coupons that come, I keep them. Even the newspapers, I make a pile, separate pile of them. I keep them and I send it to the recyclers. All this paper from the recyclers goes to factories or small scale industries. So it not only gives more job opportunities to more people, it helps these things to be recycled to form more newspaper or paper bags and prevent some amount of cutting of trees. So I think recycling is a great idea. Another thing that I recycle are metals. So any kind of metal, be it tin, iron, copper, aluminium, all these metals can be recycled. So we can reduce a little bit of mining. A little bit from each one can add up to more. Another thing I always send to recyclers are plastics. So in the home we always tend to get a lot of plastic through bottles, juice bottles, food items which come in packaging of plastics, toys. There's so many toys that I tend to discard with time. So there are a lot of plastic that pile up in the house which is of no use. They can be put together and sent to the recycler so that they can recycle them into new plastic items, thus somehow limiting production of new plastic. This was a guitar, toy guitar that my kids had, and it wasn't strumming so well, but I just kept it in their room as a decor, wall decor piece, and now it's just boring. Even the string has come off, so it's time to let it go. And even the kids must learn that after a while, everything has an expiry date. Everything you have to let go at some point of time. So this guitar is going. There is a pack of small block making toys. I think I'll donate the block making toys if possible, otherwise I'll send it to recycler. Now we all get a lot of takeaway food or food that comes on delivery, and they come in good food grade plastic boxes. these boxes are really good for keeping small dry food items or any kind of items for organizing, and I have accumulated a lot of them thinking they will come to use. They come to use, no wonder they come to use. I don't have to run to market to buy things to keep things or boxes for organizing things in, because in home we get a lot of boxes, either cardboard or plastic, which can be used for organizing, and I tend to use them. So I save money and not running to the market every time. But I have realized now that I have accumulated too many of these plastic cases, containers, and of different sizes. So I decided to keep 2 of each size at home for my use, just in case I need them, till I get more of them, and I'll get rid of the balance, whatever is left over, the extra ones, I'm going to get rid of them. Mothers with small kids, they also tend to get a lot of tiffin boxes which break down, or pencil boxes, or water bottles which break down. So these are again plastics most of the time, and the broken pieces have to be discarded, so better send them for recycling. Now there are a few clothes that I'm getting rid of. This one is in a good shape, so I'll send it to donated, and the two of them have to be discarded, and the 2 which are in a better shape will be donated. Now end of seasons, you tend to get something from the previous season which no more can be used. So there was this beautiful sweater of my daughter, and it had a hood and a sleeveless thing with little, I like the different colors on it. So this will go for donation. She has outgrown this. This was a small sweater again, the red with the white and black stripes. This will also go for donation. And then I had this bell-bottom pants. Now have a look at this. Bell-bottom pants. Who wears them now? I wonder. I mean, this was mine when I was small, and my mother had kept it, saved it for my kids. Okay, now my kids, because now nobody wears these bell-bottom pants, they just refuse to wear. When they were small, I still managed to make them wear once or twice maybe, but then they just didn't like it. So it was just staying with me. I mean, just staying because my mother saved it all these years, and today I feel I have no emotional attachment to this, so why just keep it? I mean, it's nice woolen pants. It can come helpful to maybe someone. So these 3 sweaters are going for donation. Okay, now bags. I love good leather bags. And these are 2 leather bags which will have to go. They have served me really well, really well. I still love the construction. The making of the bag is so good, so well stitched. But the outside is getting faded and chipped, and it doesn't look so nice to use. But the inside is still so good. I don't know, I mean, why throw them away, or should I don't know, maybe donate it, or I have to get rid of them. I mean, I can't keep them anymore. Now, this bag, especially I want to talk about, this bag used to be white in color, pearly white in color, and after a while, maybe a couple of years back, when the pearly white, the shine had gone, the luster had gone, and it was no more that nice fresh white and it was dull, I decided to paint it. So all this green that you see, this rose malin kind of art that you see, everything is painted. I painted it one day using acrylic paints, and I've used it again for many more years, and now I don't want to paint it again. I think it's time to let this go. Most likely I'll donate it. So every season it's best to look into your house, organize things a bit, and one finds a lot of items that is no more of use to oneself but can be donated or sent to recycling center, and these items can come to some use, and we can do a little bit from ourselves for the environment. I hope you like this today's a video, my thought process, my ideas on recycling and repurposing, or my way of purging things. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please give down your comments. If you're new to my channel, please look into my videos, my content, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.